In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to rename a hyperlink here in Canva. Now I have this design just here. I've got it open as well just here, and the hyperlink says, "Let me watch." Now if we come back over to the design, all we have to do is simply click onto the hyperlink. We can see that this is a hyperlink because we have the URL just here of the destination which it goes to. For this example, it's just my YouTube channel. But to rename this is very simple. We come right here to the pencil, we click on Edit Link, and this is where we can name it again anything that we want. So for this example, let's change it to Let Me Watch Now. We have the URL just here, we're going to click Done, and now that's been updated. So now if we go back over to here and refresh, we can now see that it says Let Me Watch Now. So that's just how simple it is to rename a hyperlink here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, well, click right here and watch this playlist packed of Canva tutorials.